Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run the Python code in my Raspberry Pi, which is located in my local Wi-Fi network from my PC's Pycharm environment. So the first of things I want to do is to create a new project which names at test remote. And then the second step is by setting the Python interpreters. The default Python interpreter of the Pycharm is directed to the encoder environment, which is in my local PC, so I have to change it to the remote destinations of my Raspberry Pi in my local network. And after inputting the username and password, I successfully connected to the remote destinations, and there are two steps I have to do. The first step is the configuration of the Python interpreter. Confirm the path of the Python interpreter using the which command. I get the interpreter location and paste it here. And the second step is the configuration of the mapping. So I have to create a remote development directory in my Raspberry Pi, and by using the pwd command I paste the absolute path to the location of the remote directory of my mapping. So let me do the test. First, create a test.python file, and I can see that it means this dialog shows I am using the remote Python interpreter, and I try to output the absolute path of the Python and try to run it. Oh, something went wrong, and I restarted the Pycharm and run it again, and it works well. So the path of the output shows that I am running the test.python in my remote destination instead in my local PC, and I can also confirm that in my remote destinations, which is in my test remote, there's a file also called the test.python, and when I try to add another line which is also an output, I can also confirm that the remote file has also been changed, and that is the magic of the mapping in the Pycharm IDE. So that's all. First you have to change the interpreter, and the second you have to change the mapping configurations. So it is very convenient feature in the Pycharm. So I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, and see you again.